Hey guys, welcome back to Bay Box Breakers. Thanks again for your bids on eBay. Tonight again we're going to do a box of Panini Crown Royal. Product features 4 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Last night we had a product giveaway which went to the highest bidder on both the Certified and the Crown Royal, the Shea Weber Auto. That is going to go to KJC99. So you know who you are, KJC99. So congratulations on your bid. Box number on this one is 93926446. Get it in close. There you have it. Time of night is 11:57, March 2nd. There you go. I'm going to take tomorrow night off, so there won't be any breaks until Sunday night. So hope you see it on Sunday. It's a busy hockey season in town for my son, so I'm away a lot with him on the weekends. Here we go. Good luck on your bids. Had a lot of great success with this so far, so let's hope it continues. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. Tonight we're going to start with pack number, let's go with 2. I haven't gotten a whole lot of feedback on another product you want me to do. I'm considering getting a limited next week. So let me know if you'd like to see something other than limited, maybe something from 2010-11, and get maybe some Taylor Hall and Tyler Seguin action. Here's Alex Pietrangelo, Blues, base. Lundqvist, base for the Rangers. Nice hit for the Canucks here. Start things out with All the King's Men jersey. Daniel Sedin, no number. All the King's Men, nice jersey, nice card for the Canucks. Followed by Lords of the NHL. There's no jersey on this one, but it is Ovi for the Capitals. Alexander Ovechkin for the Capitals. So 2 nice cards in that pack. And then Henrik Zetterberg for the Red Wings. So far so good. We'll go with the next pack in the middle here. Pack number 2. Here we go. Brandon Dubinsky for the Rangers. Kerry Lettinen for the Dallas Stars. Base. Here we go. Anton Lander for the Oilers. Auto. Centerman. Auto, I believe those are all rookies, those autos. So nice hit for the Oilers. On-card autograph, number 57. Nice hit for the Oilers. You got filler. Maxime McNauer for the Ducks. Base. Zach Parise, base for the Devils. Next pack over. So far, so good. Start things out with the ageless one, Ray Whitney from Phoenix, base. In harm's way, Marty Brodeur. Insert card for the Devils. Nice hit. Nice card coming up. We'll pause on that one. Oh, another nice card though. Patrick Roy. Legends of the Game, I think. Well, might as well call it Legends of the Game. Doesn't say much, but it's a throwback. Patrick Roy. Or Roy, if you're in Quebec. Brad Marchand for the Boston Bruins. Base. And here we go. All the King's Men. It's a dual on-card signing. Jersey Prime. Alish Hemsky for Edmonton. So it looks like a good night for the Oilers so far. Ales Hemsky. You got a little more excited when I thought it might be Taylor Hall or Hopkins, but Hemsky will do for now. They just re-signed him for quite a few $1 million. So there you go. Ales Hemsky, prime jersey, as well as the auto. Nice hit. It's good to go. That's, well, 2 autographs for Oilers so far. Next pack. The last pack. I'm still fighting a bit of a cold, so I apologize for the scratchiness in my voice. Start things out with Nicholas Backstrom, the Wild, base. Ryan Clough, base for the Sharks. Oh, here's another nice one. Pavel Datsyuk, Lords of the NHL jersey. Nice hit for the Red Wings. And you got a Ruby, Marc-Andre Fleury. So that's a Ruby. It's a parallel to the base for the Penguins. Last card is going to be Ryan Miller for the Buffalo Sabres. Ryan Miller. There you go. I'll highlight some of the hits. Beauty there with the Hemsky. Autograph. Prime jersey. We also have the rookie for the Oilers. Lander. Nice hit. He can't be a rookie if he's got the assistant captain, but then you got Daniel Sedin. A lot in this box. And Pavel Datsyuk. Nice looking box. So we'll catch you again hopefully Sunday night. And if you're not involved in the certified box, we'll see you on Sunday. Take care.